In this video, we're going to show you how to do a print quality test. It's a handy feature that will show you whether your print head is in good condition and that you have no blown elements. It will also show that the match of your ribbon to your media is producing a good result. Start by hitting the setup bar, then go to Wizards, and then go to Printing. On the last option you can see Print Quality, and we can allow the printer to test some labels. Looking at the labels now produced, we can see that the quality is exceptional and that we have a solid black bar across the bottom of the label that is not interrupted with any blown elements or white spaces. So you're good to go.